Hey guys, today we're making cracked chicken, really good chicken, and I'm just using a couple of large chicken breasts. I always keep diced onions in my freezer for dishes like this, you know, soups and stews or something like this. Even when I'm browning hamburger, it's really a good way to store onions. And then I'm going to also add some garlic powder, and I'm heavy with the garlic powder. That's about a tablespoon, and I think I'll do a little more just because I really like it. And then you're going to want to go in with some salt. Now it doesn't have to be much because another ingredient to this is going to be bacon. So bacon's already salty. Just a little bit of salt there. I'm going to put in just enough chicken broth to maybe get a little coating around the bottom there so that when this cooks in the crock pot, it'll stay nice and moist. Alright, I'm going to cook that probably on high for a couple of hours and then check it. Sometimes with this crock pot, it's getting old. I do have to go a little longer, somewhere between 2 and 4, just depending on how much chicken is in there, really. Alright, and so I'm going to put the chicken broth in, and we'll come back to this later. I've got the bacon cooking. Ever since I started making bacon in the oven, I no longer do it on top of the stove. It is so much less messy doing it this way. What I do is the small pan with a little cooling rack put inside, put the bacon on top, and all the grease drips to the bottom. You can save your grease that way if you want to season other foods, but it's very handy. You can also just line your pan with Reynolds Wrap and drop the bacon in, and then drain your bacon after it's cooked. But this is wonderful, especially if you need a lot of bacon. You can put a couple of pans in here. Crispy bacon. Let's check the chicken. Alright, I'm going to flip the chicken over into the liquid and then sprinkle on a little more powder on the other side. And we'll let it keep cooking. So hey guys, here's the cracked chicken completed. And basically, it's self-explanatory there. Shred the chicken and then crumble your bacon and just combine it. Mix it together really well. Some people like to put this on bread or buns and have a sandwich, but if you're watching your carbs, believe me, it's delicious just like this. You don't need bread. Thanks for stopping by, guys. I hope you have a great week. Bye.